naturally, your terminal handles customer not present transactions as easily as face-to-face encounters. Just enter the sale amount and press Enter. Enter the card number, the expiry date, and the 3-digit security code from the back of the card. If this isn't available, just press Enter. If you want to pre-authorize a transaction, just select Pre-auth from the Main or New Transaction menu and press New. You can't use contactless for this, but you can insert, swipe, or key in card details. Enter the amount and proceed in the usual way, but do keep the receipt. You'll need it to finalize the sale. Completing a pre-authorized transaction is just as easy. Select Completion from the Main or New Transaction menu. Insert, swipe, or key in card details again. Enter the final amount, using DCC if the customer prefers it. Then add the host reference number from the pre-authorized receipt. If a PIN is requested, ask the customer to enter it, and you're done.